Stop paying $297 a month for ClickFunnels. On this episode of App Verdict, we're looking at Pro Funnel Builder X. The sales page promises you can build profit-making websites in seconds using AI, but is it an actual software or just another hyped-up PDF? Let us find out. Here is my honest first impression. If you're expecting a drag-and-drop software dashboard, you will be disappointed. Pro Funnel Builder X is actually a 150-page training guide and an elite AI prompt package. However, it comes with full private label rights, meaning you can sell this exact package and keep 100% of the profits. For under $15, it is a massive steal if you know how to use it. So what exactly is it and who is it for? Pro Funnel Builder X teaches you how to use AI to write copy, design pages, and build complete funnels without touching a single line of code. It solves the biggest problem for beginners, which is getting stuck on technical stuff like HTML or paying high monthly fees for funnel builders. It's perfect for new affiliate marketers, agency owners, or anyone who wants a ready-to-sell digital product. Make sure you stick around because I have put together an insane bonus package for you if you grab this through my link today. Now let us talk about what you get inside. When you log in, you'll get access to the complete 150-page mastery guide and the plug-and-play AI prompts. You just copy these prompts, paste them into your favorite AI, and watch it spit out high-converting sales copy and site structures. You also get the unbranded PLR files. You can literally download these files, put your own name on the cover, and start selling it as your own course today. Let us talk about the pricing and the upsells. The main product is only $14.95. That is a one-time fee. After you buy, you'll see a massive funnel with 10 different upgrades. Do not panic. You only need the front-end offer to get started. You can safely skip upgrades 1 through 8 unless you really want extra templates. But pay attention to upgrade number 9. It's the giant PLR Profits Bundle for $97. If you want a complete business in a box with multiple products to sell, that one is highly recommended. To make this an absolute no-brainer, I have put together an exclusive App Verdict bonus package. You'll get these instantly when you click the link in the description and buy today. Bonus 1. WP Swift Page Plugin. This speeds up your website so visitors don't leave before your page loads. Bonus 2. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside your emails to force people to buy before the clock runs out. Bonus 3. Sales Page Recycler. Copy your best pages to use as upsells without starting from scratch. Bonus 4. Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder to build your email list fast. Bonus 5. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Don't know what to build? Start with one of these done-for-you websites. Bonus 6. Action Poll. Segment your mailing list to get better open rates and more targeted sales. Bonus 7. Article Analyzer. Make sure your articles rank high on Google by checking your keyword density. Bonus 8. Affiliate System for Product Owners. If you're selling Pro Funnel Builder X as your own, use this to get affiliates to sell it for you. Bonus 9. Opt-in Monster. Add flipping opt-in panels to your site to collect more leads. Bonus 10. Power List Pro. Build entry and exit pop-ups to capture visitors before they leave your site. My final verdict? Pro Funnel Builder X gives you the exact prompts to build sites and a ready-made product to sell. The PLR rights alone make it worth way more than $15. But you need to act fast. The launch price is going up very soon, and my custom App Verdict bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 people who buy through my link today. Once those 50 spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus page down completely. Click the first link in the description below to secure your copy and lock in all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. After your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you directly inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to App Verdict for more honest marketing reviews, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.